Hello, my name is Gary Thiessen. I've been fortunate enough to find NoSpineSurgery.com. Some time ago, I started developing some real severe sciatic pain. I actually thought it was my hamstrings, but then on further review, I started finding that the hamstrings weren't pulled or tight. It was actually a more severe problem. I just drove by the office here on Bouchard and actually called up. There's a number outside, and I called up and I asked them, really, what do you do for people on No Spine Surgery? And they said, we actually decompress discs. And I'd had some disc surgery before, but very minor disc surgery, so I made an appointment, and they actually gave me a free x-ray, and Dr. Schleider was most kind to sit down with me and explain to me what my issue was. And he actually said I have a very severe compressed L2 disc. Most of my injuries have come from football, other injuries, but also my spine is degenerating. So I've already accepted that as being a piece of it. And then Dr. Schleider also gave me a movie to watch. After watching that movie, everything made sense to me as far as how the disc itself is decompressed by the equipment they have here. And then they gave me a short tour of the office and just everything from A to Z. They've got a warm-up pad, and then they've got the decompression. Then they have a electrode item that stimulates the muscles. Then they have an aqua bed that actually relaxes you, and then they even have a gentleman by the name of Jack who gives you exercises to do that will help strengthen the program. I was coming here probably for a couple of months, and they don't crack your back, or they don't do something that a chiropractor does. It's all done automated, but the people are so very helpful. I can see that their real concern is trying to help their patients become less pain-free. And really nothing happened for the first 2 months, except I was diligent in what I was doing, and they were diligent in helping me. All of a sudden we got to a certain weight where they were decompressing me, and all of a sudden I could start moving my legs again. Everybody is different, and I would see patients that would come in and feel relief pretty quickly. There was some that maybe took a little longer, but No Spine Surgery and Dr. Schleider's staff have just been great. They've been very encouraging, doing everything they can to help me, and I'm proud to say that since coming there, I actually really wasn't able to turn around standing up or sitting down without any pain. And after coming here for 3 months, I actually painted the outside of my house last year. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to continue doing what I do. They've never promised me that I'm going to be completely healthy, but my pain level was a 9.5 when I came to Dr. Schleider. And of course, Juliana is there to help you, and she's there to help every patient that comes in. But my pain level was a 9.5, and now my pain level runs about 3 to 3.5, which to me is great, because I can really look at my life, and I can do things that I couldn't do. This past winter, like I said, the summer before, I painted my house. This past winter, I painted the inside of my house. I just couldn't believe everything I've been able to do. And to be quite frank with you, everybody here, from the office staff, from the very person that actually schedules your appointments, to those who take you in the back rooms, to Juliana, who's always there to help, to the newsletters that you can do, they really do care about helping people become as pain-free as possible. And I've told them I would do anything I could that was the truth, simply because they've given me so much of my life back, and since I've come to NoSpineSurgery.com.